Hello everyone, today's menu will be stuffed pork chop. It's so flavorful and it's like Thanksgiving in your mouth all over again. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Here I have 3 green onions that I'm just going to cut it in half, and then I'm just going to roughly chop it. If you prefer, you can go ahead and use regular onions or purple onions if you like. But me, I think that green onions give it such a better flavor. Okay, I'm going to grab a small bowl, and then I'm going to place the chopped green onions inside, and then I'm going to set it aside until I'm ready to use it. Here I have 4 boneless pork chop, about ½ inch thick all around. You'll want to have a sharp knife and make a 2.5 to 3 inch slit for a pocket, and just slowly work with it. Just like that. And then I'm just going to finish the rest of them. On medium-high heat, you'll want to add in the butter and also the green onions. And then you'll want to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the butter is melted. And then cook it additional 1 minute, sauteing the green onions. After a couple minutes, pour in the chicken broth and give it a quick stir and bring it to a boil. To boil faster, cover with a lid. And then when it comes to a boil, you'll want to add in the stuffing package and give it a quick mix to combine, and then you'll want to cover it and move it away from the heat. After 5 to 10 minutes, you'll want to remove the lid and just fluff up the stuffing. Now we're ready to stuff the pork chop. With a spoon, just grab some stuffing and then just slowly fill the pockets, slowly and firmly, pressing it down and back. Just continue the process until all the pork chops are nice and filled up. And then here I have some garlics and herbs, and I'm just going to sprinkle half of it on this side, along with some salt and also some black pepper. And then you'll want to do this on both sides. I did forget to put some cayenne pepper on this side, but if you don't want cayenne, you can go ahead and omit it. Make sure to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. With a baking sheet lined with foil and parchment paper, place the pork chop flat. You do not need to put both foil and parchment. I'm just a little extra. I just want to show you guys the garlic and herbs that I'm using. I got this from Walmart, but I'm sure you can find it at any local grocery store. Here is the end results of the stuffed pork chop. I hope you will give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest video. Bye!